Hello everyone, I'm Avadh. I'm dedicated functional consultant in D365. This video is in continuation with fixed asset series. So we have covered fixed asset basics and fixed asset setups. Now we are going to cover about how we can create and acquire fixed asset into the D365. So basically we have a multiple option for creation of the fixed asset. We can create a fixed asset through purchase requisition, then we convert purchase requisition into purchase order, then we can invoice that fixed asset, a fixed asset PO, and we can that's why we can create a fixed asset. Okay, that is the first way. Then again, if we don't want to start with purchase requisition, we can directly create a PO, and we can receive the goods and invoice it, and we can create the fixed asset. The third method is we can directly create a pending vendor invoice, and we can create a fixed invoice. So these all are the three way which is from purchase requisition. Now also that at the time of the creation we have a two option, like we can create a purchase requisition through if we're going through purchase requisition, what we can do, we can create the procurement category, and we can create the fixed asset. And second is we can create a purchase a fixed asset through finished goods, I mean inventory, and we can convert those inventory into the fixed asset. So that is also one of the way of acquisition of fixed asset. Then we can use the fixed asset journal, we can use invoice journal, and also I told that I already informed you that we can transfer inventory into the fixed asset. So those are the way of acquisition of fixed asset. So what we'll do, we'll cover only two way. First is we'll start from purchase requisition and we'll create a fixed asset. That is a one way. And second is we'll use the fixed asset journal, and then we'll also run the depreciation. uh, so that is the I mean agenda of this video. So now we'll start with purchase order, purchase requisition. So I'm going into the procurement and category sourcing module. Here we have option of all purchase requisition. Now I'm creating one more taste 01 as an purchase requisition. So in purchase requisition, workflow is mandatory. So we'll go through with workflow also. Now I'm selecting here procurement category directly. So we have office machines, and suppose we are purchasing paper shredding machine. We have yeah, we have purchased, let me rewrite here product name. We have purchased two quantity of purchase trading machine, and the price is suppose 25,000. We can here select the vendor name also, and also we can select at the time of releasing of PO. So we are purchasing it from Reliance Industries. So this is the purchase requisition. Okay, now we can what we can do here, we can write down the few mandatory details which is required, like like a financial dimension and inventory dimension we can enter here. I'm entering randomly dimensions, and this is I'm making it as an site 1. Okay, sorry, site 1. Yeah, so that's it. Now we need to go through with the workflow. That is a mandatory step. My purpose is not to gone through this processes, how we can acquire fixed asset. That is a major purpose of this video. So I'm moving little bit fast in early stage of purchase requisition and PO. Then we'll see one by one how system is behaving. So let's wait till the batch job is got completed. Okay, so now I reassign this to me. Now I have approved this purchase requisition. It will take a time to get completed. Till that, I'm moving into the another tab. Here I'm again going into the procurement and sourcing module. Okay, I think so it's got completed. No, still it is in review. It is approved now. So now we have a option of here release approved purchase requisition for a PO. So I'm here now. I'm releasing into the purchase order. Okay. Accounting source line. Maybe it is a refresh error, or just a second. Okay, that was a refresh error. Okay, so now this purchase order has been created into the system. So now we'll directly will go to the purchase order. Okay, so here in this purchase order, this is a approved stage, and we are not using the workflow here for a time constraint. So now this purchase requisition converted into the purchase order. Now you can see here everything looks good. Just one thing, in product we need to enter the warehouse 11. Okay, apart from this, here what we have done, we are using the procurement category. We can use also item also, right? We have a two option, but right now we are using only procurement category. I have already used the item number. I will showcase that example with you. But now, right now, this is the best way and to use the fixed asset. So now I will create a new fixed asset. I will select the uh, a fixed asset group as a test, which we have created previous video. Now in financial dimension, it I have auto loaded. Now in tax information, why we are using purchase order over a fixed asset proposal. We already have a fixed asset acquisition proposal. Still we are using this PO method for acquisition of the fixed asset, because it supports the supports the GST. That is the only reason that we are using PO method for purchasing fixed asset. Okay, so now I will go through once upon time that what is my taxes in this. So I am going into the tax document. You can see here the rate is IGST 9% is levied. Okay. 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 Some. Okay. Now what we'll do, I will confirm this order. Once I will confirm this order, this procurement category, okay, and here whatsoever it is in general name, for this name system will create a fixed asset. Okay, till now it is not created, you can see here. So now it will create once I will do the product receipt. So now I'm doing the product receipt. Okay, so now you can see here fixed asset number is auto flow, and relevant books also is auto flow. So now I'm going into the fixed asset module in fixed assets. Sorry, yeah, this is my fixed asset number. I can search it out here. Okay, so now we have an option of books and valuation. So if you will see here, in valuation the acquisition value is 0. But now if I'm going in, I'm clicking the books, then whatsoever I have created, see here, taste company and taste IT both has been created, and both have a, you can see here, not acquired status. So till now this asset is not acquired because it is not got invoiced. And you can see your service life and depreciation run date, everything is auto generated. So here acquisition date is 28th December 2025. So now this is current date. So now what I will do, I will try to invoice it. So once I will invoice, okay, it is got invoiced. So now if I will see here in the balance, the 50,000 is added now. Okay, so that's how it will work. So once invoice is created, system have a value in valuation. So we have defined the DRI booked as an IT. So 50,000 automatically posted here. Now I will see the voucher of this. I'm going into the invoice in voucher. Okay, maybe just a second. That subledger transfer stopped automatically here, some problem. Let me transfer it. Subledger, okay, now we'll see here. So there is a major and major, these three entries are there. So you can see here what is the impact. So our vendor account got credited. Okay, these asset accounts got debited, and because will got a credit on this GST, that account is debited. So the ultimate impact on my vendor is 54,500 with GST. So vendor need to pay 54,500, and this asset is created with my 50,000 of amount. So this is it. And you are wondering that what is these two entries. So after a new update, so whatsoever will we have created derived book, right, for this. So this these two are posted in tax layer, and these all are in current layer. So as per the, so whatsoever I have derived in my fixed asset posting profile, on the basis of the same, system will create a two entries like acquisition of the fixed asset, and one is either you can create a one P&L account, or you can transfer to the reserve. I have transferred into the reserve, so that is but it is not in current layer, that is in tax layer. So due to this voucher on posting only, you can able to see here 50,000 amount in tax IT. So that's how it will work. So now we have done so now we have covered one example of a fixed asset acquisition. Now, suppose if we want to see that there is one more option for acquisition of the fixed asset, that is a we can acquire fixed asset through item number. So this is the item number I have used. I have already invoiced for a time constraint. I have invoiced this voucher. Let's see the voucher of this invoice. You can see here this is tax layer entry, and this is the invoice entry. This is in you can see multiple entries are here, but it is very easy to understand. It is a reversal of GRN, and this is an invoice entry. So here you can see 11,700 is my cost of the fixed asset. So in this PO you can able to see that it have created a fixed asset number 007. So if I will open this fixed asset, is it have automatically posted fixed asset in a company and income tax. And also in a box you can able to see what are my purchase order to acquire this fixed asset. So you can see here this is my PO number, this is my vendor, this is my invoice number from which I have purchased this, and this is other details. You can able to see it. Now we have purchased this fixed asset with a PO and with a purchase requisition. There is one more option that we can directly invoice the PO, and we can convert this later this finished goods item into the fixed asset. That also we can do here. So in fixed asset module we have a option of inventory to fixed asset journal, and we can transfer the inventory into the fixed asset. So that also we can do. That is also one of the way. Now I'm creating fixed asset journal. That is also one of the way of creation of the fixed asset. So I'm right now running the proposal, acquisition proposal. Let me reset it. Yeah. So now, okay. So before running the fixed asset journal, we need to create a fixed asset in a fixed asset master. So I'm creating one fixed asset. So we are using taste fixed asset group. So this will create a fixed asset number. Okay. Now it is created. So now I'm using this fixed asset here. Fixed asset group I need to select. So you are just you are just thinking that what is this. So this we have created fixed asset master for this particular group. So that is a fixed asset, but we have not acquired. So till now this you can see here the status of this fixed asset is a not yet acquired. So to acquire we need to create a journal in fixed asset journal. That is what we are doing now. So now I'm selecting the fixed asset now group and also book. So we are only post the entry in a taste company, and we are using derived book, so it will auto post in the tax also. Okay. So now we'll create the fixed asset of 5,000 rupees. Yeah, it got posted. You can see the voucher also here. Okay, there is a two voucher. One is for income tax and one is for a current layer. Okay, so here also you can see the valuation 5,000 and 5,000. It got created. Now what we'll do, now we have checked the multiple way of creation of the fixed asset. Now we'll run the depreciation. So to run the depreciation, uh, we have already discussed in previous lecture that we are using derived book concept. So whenever we'll create the fixed asset, it will create a fixed asset in my current book and my tax book. But in case of the acquisition will happen in my current book and my tax book. But in case of the depreciation, what it will do, depreciation we need to post a separate entry for current and tax, because both are following different methodology for depreciation. So you need to watch my previous video to understand this in detail, this concept. But right now what we'll do, we have already acquired one fixed asset, so we'll run the depreciation for that particular fixed asset. So this is my fixed asset of 50,000. So now I'm running depreciation. So whenever we'll run the depreciation for a normal, for a current layer, we need to make sure that we are using the depreciation journal name which have set it up as for a current posting layer. So that's I have already created one journal with the current posting layer. Now I'm going into this. Now I will propose depreciation proposal. Let me do it. Yeah. So now I will try to reset it. Okay. Maybe some issue to got reset. I will select my newly created fixed asset, that is a 12 number fixed asset. Taste group is correct. This book I am using actually taste company. Okay, and this is for a posting layer current. So I am clicking OK. Okay, so at the time of the proposal, if you have noticed or not, I have run proposal for a 31st March 2026. So system will create the depreciation for a December, January, February and March. So how it will calculate the depreciation, will look into the Excel. So suppose my cost of asset is 50,000. Okay, so my number of useful life for this particular asset is 5 years. So it will calculate the fixed asset depreciation 10,000 per month, per year. Okay, so this is my per year depreciation 10,000. But my acquisition date is 28/12/2025. So for this month I have only 3 days. Okay, sorry, only 4 days. Okay, so it will calculate the depreciation for 4 days only. So what I will do, first I will divide this 10,000 is a per year. So what is my per day depreciation? So my per day depreciation is 27.39. So for December month, because there is only 4 days for December month, it will calculate the depreciation for 4 days. So that is a 109.95. You can see here. For first 4 day it is this. For this we have 31 days, because it is a day based calculation. So so what I have done, I have divided this with the number of days, that is like 1 second. So here, okay, maybe yes, I need to copy paste this here. Okay, so here per day depreciation is 27.39. So January have a 31st day, so I will multiply with 31. February have a 28 days, so I have multiplied with 28. Then March have a 31 days, so I multiply with 31. So that's, if you will see here, exact same amount system have auto calculate. So for our reference, I have recalculated it. So that's how we can propose this fixed asset. Now I'm posting this depreciation. So here, if you will see this fixed asset depreciation entry has been posted. It will take a few seconds. Okay, maybe refresh issue. Let me again go to the valuation. Yeah, you can see here depreciation is posted, but when we have posted fixed asset acquisition auto post in IT also, income tax book, but here it is not auto posted. So for that we need to create one more entry, like that is that entry is in, I'm posting in acquisition journal, that is a depreciation only. But yeah, for that we need to use a tax layer. We need to make sure that the journal which we are using for posting tax depreciation, it have a posting layer or a journal name in tax. Okay, so that setup I have done in tax journal. Journal type is a same posted fixed sets, and posting layer is a tax. So that I have already created. So now I'm again going into the this lines. I will again propose depreciation proposal. I will run depreciation proposal. Fixed asset, all I have already selected. Now fixed asset group also same, but the book will change. Okay, now I will use the taste IT book, and posting layer is a text that will auto populate from my journal name setup. So once I will click OK, I need to click OK here, and it will calculate tax as per income tax. So here we have a 15% of income tax rate. So similar way it will work. Like, let me do one thing, like here 15% of 50,000 is 7,500. So first year is 82 point first year it is 82.19. Okay, maybe some round off issue, and we have not created it as per day, so there is some round of issue. Yes, it is not as per the date, it is calculating per month. So maybe 623.99. So that's how it will work. So it is a nearest amount only. So once we have run this depreciation, I will post it. Okay, so you can see here voucher also. This is in tax layer, and the entry we have already discussed, that is a depreciation to accumulated depreciation. Once I will refresh here, it will take time. Yeah, you can see here the depreciation as per income tax also has been derived here. So this is what I want to discuss in this video, like a fixed asset acquisition through PO, fixed asset acquisition through fixed asset journal, and also one entry of the depreciation proposal for a I mean, as per the Companies Act and as per the Income Tax Act. So this is about the third video of my fixed asset series. In next video, we are going to sell out this fixed asset and we'll see the what are the impact on sale of this fixed asset. Thank you for watching this video.